Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to guess the possible emails of a person. So for this purpose, I am using the MailMeteor. So here I am writing the my first name and last name and the domain of the company where I'm working. Now let's click on the generate email address. So it's the correct email address which I am using. So it's the free tool. You can use this without any login access. So if you want to get the mail mergers and email tracking, scheduling, and personalization and verify the all emails and guess the only working one. So you can go for the paid version. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.